Welcome to a hearty, comforting, and vegetable-packed lasagna recipe, inspired by the Love and Lemons version. This dish features creamy ricotta, perfectly roasted veggies, fresh spinach, and rich marinara, all layered between tender noodles and baked until golden. For the vegetables, you'll need 8 ounces of quartered cremini mushrooms, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 medium chopped zucchini, and half a chopped yellow onion. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Spread the mushrooms, bell pepper, zucchini, and onion on a baking sheet. Drizzle them with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, then roast for 20 to 25 minutes until soft and lightly browned. Roasting brings out deep, sweet flavors and prevents the lasagna from becoming watery. Afterward, reduce your oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. Next, cook 15 lasagna noodles in a large pot of salted boiling water until al dente. Drain the noodles and lightly coat them with olive oil to prevent sticking. Now, let's prepare the creamy ricotta mixture. In a medium bowl, combine 3 cups of whole milk ricotta, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper to taste, then mix until smooth and fragrant. For the lasagna layers, you'll also need 3 cups of marinara sauce, 3 cups of fresh spinach, 2 cups of shredded part-skim mozzarella, and half a cup of grated pecorino or Parmesan cheese. To assemble your lasagna, use a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Spread 1 cup of marinara sauce evenly on the bottom. Next, add a layer of cooked noodles, followed by half of the ricotta mixture. Then, add half of the fresh spinach and half of the roasted vegetables. Spoon 2/3 cup of marinara over the veggies, and repeat this layering process one more time. For the top layer, add the final noodles, spread the remaining marinara, and sprinkle generously with mozzarella and pecorino for a golden crust. Bake uncovered at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and lightly browned. If you're using no-boil noodles, cover with foil and bake for 40 to 50 minutes, then uncover and bake until golden. Once baked, let the lasagna rest for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing. This helps it set and prevents sliding layers. Garnish with fresh basil or parsley if you like, and enjoy your delicious homemade vegetarian lasagna. Remember, roasted vegetables give much better flavor than sautéed ones, and regular boiled noodles create a softer, classic texture. You can also add extra spinach or swap in kale, carrots, or eggplant if you like. Leftovers taste even better the next day. Refrigerate for up to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months for a convenient meal anytime. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!